Good afternoon. My amazing trip to Puerto Maldonado. Right now, I am living an incredible vacation in Puerto Maldonado, in the Amazon rainforest of Peru. I am travel with my daughter and my brother Robin. We arrived a few hours ago by plane, and we are staying at a tourist hotel surrounded by nature. I am wearing shorts and a polo shirt because it is very hot, but it's also raining at the same time. It is a very strange, comfort feeling. Tomorrow I am going on a canoe ride along the river. But right now I am resting in my room while listening to the sound of the jungle at the hotel. We come use the natural pool and walk along the ecological trails, but we can't feed the wild animals or leave the hotel without a guide. My daughter is drinking tropical fruit which in the dining room while I am waiting this text. The jungle is being a unique experience. Goodbye. Thank you very much.